When most people think of buying a car after the factory warranty expires, they worry about expensive repairs, costly parts, and unexpected breakdowns. But with Toyota, that fear is minimized. Known worldwide for bulletproof reliability and affordable maintenance, many Toyotas will easily last 200,000 miles or more, even without warranty coverage. Today, we're counting down the 10 best and most reliable Toyota models worth owning after warranty, including average resale values in US and Canadian dollars, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Number 10, Toyota Corolla, 2014-2019. The Toyota Corolla is legendary for its dependability, and this generation proves why. With a simple but durable 4-cylinder engine, low maintenance costs, and strong fuel economy, the Corolla is perfect for commuters and first-time buyers alike. Many examples easily surpass 250,000 miles with little more than regular oil changes and brake servicing. The interior may be basic, but it holds up well to years of daily use. Expect to pay about $11,200 USD, or $15,000 Canadian for a clean example. For anyone who wants worry-free ownership beyond warranty, the Corolla is always a safe bet. Number 9, Toyota Camry, 2012-2017. The Camry is one of the most common sedans on North American roads, and for good reason. Its engines, especially the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and the 3.5-liter V6, are practically indestructible. Known for reliability, comfort, and long-term value, Camrys regularly push past 250,000 miles with only routine maintenance. The cabin is comfortable and durable, though not flashy, and repair costs are among the lowest in its class. Resale averages around $12,800 USD, or $17,000 Canadian. If you want a midsize sedan that delivers years of dependable service, the Camry remains unmatched after warranty. Number 8, Toyota Prius, 2012-2017. The Prius has become synonymous with hybrid reliability. Many buyers worry about hybrid battery life, but Toyota's system is among the most dependable in the industry. Batteries often last 200,000 miles or more, and replacement costs have dropped significantly over time. The Prius also delivers excellent fuel economy and low ownership costs, making it one of the cheapest cars to operate long-term. Expect resale values around $10,900 USD or $14,500 Canadian. For eco-conscious buyers who want efficiency without sacrificing reliability, the Prius is an excellent post-warranty choice. Number 7, Toyota RAV4, 2013-2018. The RAV4 is Toyota's best-selling SUV, combining compact size, excellent fuel efficiency, and legendary reliability. With either the 4-cylinder engine or the hybrid option, owners routinely log over 200,000 miles with minimal issues. The interior is practical and durable, with good cargo space for families. Minor issues include aging suspension bushings, but they're inexpensive to fix. Average resale sits at $14,600 USD, or $19,300 Canadian. For a dependable SUV that balances practicality and long-term ownership confidence, the RAV4 is hard to beat. Number 6, Toyota Avalon, 2011-2016. Often overlooked, the Toyota Avalon is essentially a luxury Camry. It comes with the same bulletproof 3.5-liter V6, but with a larger, more upscale cabin and smoother ride quality. Owners frequently report hitting 300,000 miles with only routine maintenance, making it one of the longest-lasting sedans on the market. The Avalon's interior materials are high quality, and its spacious back seat makes it perfect for long trips. Resale averages about $13,900 USD, or $18,500 Canadian. If you want Lexus-like comfort with Toyota-level reliability, the Avalon is a hidden gem. Number 5, Toyota Highlander, 2012-2018. The Highlander blends SUV versatility with car-like dependability. Both the 4-cylinder and the 3.5-liter V6 options are well proven, and many Highlanders surpass 250,000 miles without major issues. Families love the roomy third row, strong safety ratings, and comfortable ride quality. Routine maintenance includes brakes, suspension, and transmission fluid changes, but major failures are rare. Current resale sits around $16,500 USD, or $22,000 Canadian. For families needing a reliable three-row SUV, the Highlander is one of the best post-warranty options. Number 4. Toyota Tacoma, 2012, 2018. The Tacoma is a legend in the pickup truck world. Known for its ruggedness, off-road ability, and long-term durability, it's one of the most reliable trucks you can buy after warranty. Whether equipped with the 4-cylinder or the 4.0-liter V6, Tacomas regularly surpass 300,000 miles. Interior quality is straightforward but durable, and resale values remain extremely strong. Expect to pay around $22,400 USD or $29,900 Canadian. It's not the cheapest option, but it's one of the toughest and most reliable mid-sized trucks ever built. Number 3. Toyota Sienna, 2017. Minivans may not be flashy, but the Toyota Sienna is easily one of the best long-term family vehicles on the market. Its 3.5-liter V6 engine is powerful and reliable, capable of well over 250,000 miles. Unlike many rivals, the Sienna also offered available all-wheel drive, making it ideal for snowy climates. Interior materials are built to withstand years of family use, and repair costs are relatively low for a van of its size. Resale averages around $13,500 USD or $18,000 Canadian. For families who need space, safety, and long-term dependability, the Sienna is the smart post-warranty choice. Number 2. Toyota 4Runner, 2018. The Toyota 4Runner is one of the last true body-on-frame SUVs, making it incredibly tough and durable. Owners often report 300,000 miles with little more than regular maintenance. Its 4.0-liter V6 is nearly indestructible, and the 4Runner's off-road capability is among the best in its class. Interior design is rugged but functional, with components built to last. Resale is strong, averaging $24,900 USD or $33,200 Canadian. For buyers who want an SUV that's as reliable on the highway as it is on the trail, the 4Runner is a top post-warranty pick. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser, 2017. At the top of the list is the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser. Built on the same platform as the Lexus LX, the Land Cruiser is designed for extreme durability and longevity. Many examples reach 400,000 miles or more, with countless owners calling it the most reliable SUV ever built. The 5.7-liter V8 is powerful and long-lasting, while the interior combines rugged materials with premium comfort. Yes, it's expensive. Resale averages about $38,500 USD or $51,400 Canadian. But you're buying one of the most dependable vehicles on the planet. For anyone who wants an SUV that can truly last a lifetime, the Land Cruiser is unbeatable. While many car brands become risky after warranty, Toyota continues to set the standard for reliability. From compact sedans like the Corolla and Camry, to family SUVs like the RAV4 and Highlander, and rugged legends like the Tacoma, 4Runner, and Land Cruiser, Toyota consistently delivers vehicles that last. If you want a car, SUV, or truck that won't drain your wallet after the warranty ends, these 10 Toyota models prove you can have both peace of mind and long-term value.